Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to log in into your Neteller account. Let's get started. First of all, open your web browser such as Google Chrome and type Neteller into the search bar. Press enter. Click on the first link which will take you to Neteller's homepage. Once you are on the homepage, click the sign in button at the top right corner. You will see the login page. Enter your registered email and password. Then click the login button. For added security, you will need to verify your identity. Choose from two options: verify with phone or verify with email. In this example, we'll select verify with email and click next. Now check your email for a verification code. Enter the code in the field provided. Finally, input the 6-digit secure ID you set up when you created your account. Once entered, your account will log in successfully. That's it. You are now logged in and ready to manage your Neteller account. Stay secure and enjoy the convenience. Thanks for watching.